Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning on this Tuesday morning. It's the 6th day of August, which means for thousands of kids, it's the first day of school today. I realize not every system is starting today. Some are starting tomorrow, and some more are starting on Thursday. It's staggered over the next few days. So on this first day of school, it's going to be a typical summertime forecast with the number of storms starting to thin out as the temperature starts to skyrocket again. I think the heat index is going to be an issue later on this week. I'll show you the numbers. I've adjusted the rain chances, especially as we get closer to the weekend, as a frontal system may play a role in our rain chances over the upcoming weekend as well. Without any further ado, let's get into the details this morning. I'm glad you're here.
There is a little weak boundary or trough in central Alabama, and I think the better rain chances today will be south of that front, even closer to the coast. For the rest of us, though, I think the number of storms will thin out today. There will be still some downpours around, but they will be few and far between, more like a standard summertime forecast. And as the rain chances go down, the heat indices go up near 100, I think, later on this afternoon. And that's just the start of a hot week, as you'll see in a moment. So I'll put the rain chances at a standard summer, 30% today with a high around 94. Tonight slowed down to about 73. Tomorrow is going to be another hot day. Once again, the storms will be few and far between. Splash and dash storms, hit or miss, around the area. And the rain chances in the 20 to 30% range at best on Thursday. A hot day with heat indices near the 105 danger range across much of central and south Alabama. Even some hotter numbers down there south of, closer to the coast. Now, Friday morning, we note that front just north of Alabama heading on southward. So I think the better rain chances start in North Alabama during the daytime hours Friday and migrate southward by Friday evening and Friday night as the front, there's the front on Saturday morning at 7 a.m. It'll be a player all weekend, so better rain chances during the daytime hours Saturday as the front tries to move southward with showers and thunderstorms becoming a little bit more numerous. And the front will be stuck somewhere in central Alabama on Sunday, so we'll keep the rain chances in. So I've got a 30% chance in tomorrow with high temperatures in the middle 90s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Heat index in the triple-digit range, and 40% chance of storms on Friday, a 50-50 chance at least on Saturday, and a 40% chance in on Sunday. And I'll just tease you with this. I mentioned it yesterday. Will there be an important front sometime later on next week around August 15th? Well, probably not, but I like to dream, and we'll keep an eye on the GFS. That would be nice, huh? The National Hurricane Center says the Atlantic, the Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico are quiet right now. They're not expecting to track any tropical cyclones during the next 5 days, and that's getting unusual because it is August.
So in order to make this video in the middle of the night, my alarm goes off at 1:35 a.m. In order to get up at that hour, I have to go to bed crazy early. But I was awakened last night by a very heavy shower at this particular location, and I got up and checked, and 83 hundredths of an inch right here in this particular neighborhood, and yet the airport 8 miles away had absolutely 0.0. That's the way it is. It was heavy enough to interrupt the satellite feed of the Braves game last night. Hope you have a great day today. We're live on radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Meteorologist Ryan Stinn and I talk weather. We geek out on the weather on TV at 5:50 a.m. on CBS 8 and ABC 32. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. And whenever you're out and about, you can check out my forecast on the entire Blue Water family of stations. That's 8 radio stations twice an hour, 256 times a day. Have a good one today. Kids, I hope you have a great first day at school. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.